Hello and welcome. It is the final day of the month of March 2020. My name is Derek. This is the Money Charts channel. All bets, trades of the like, within each's own risk and their own reward. I haven't done a video in a few days, and there isn't really much going on, and it's, to me, kind of obvious this is in a correctionary phase, as we've had this down move, and well, since then it has rallied back up and it has held since it first came up towards this point almost a couple of weeks ago, week and a half ago, establishing support again at the 18 lows and at where it came from, and is now short-term since rallied up to this high, but still maintaining itself in this sideways range within this sideways moving average. So until it breaks the resistance near 69 change, or support at around 57 and change, it's just going to be in this correctionary move. Really not much more to go over on that situation. Short term, and had a nice little push a couple of days ago, and has continued to hold it so far, and the volatility has been relatively low given what the global market volatility is like. The Dow Jones is one of them, and it's slowing down a little bit, and at 22,000, but overall it's still just entering its correctionary move, and really in the area of establishing this level of resistance. If it can go higher, 23,000, mostly north of that, and then you talk about establishing a breakout level, reversing the trend, and correctionary mode from the low of 18,000 change to the high near 30K. And the precious metals. Gold. Well, I don't even know what prices to state, as I got the comics on here, which says this is the one shown, 1596, and the GC, this is the futures. The delay doesn't mean much at all, but 1611.8, just a little bit different, but same thing on the silver side as well. 1402 on the base silver, with price action on it daily time frame just in the 18 average, slowing the volatility big time compared to its moves that it was preceded it both down and then up. So very low volatility last few days. And on the futures, pretty much looking near the same mechanism. But what I find and this is of course the lower area of where silver has the big support that it's had. It's so far holding and staying above it right now. But what I really want to go over again is on the premiums. And I've used silver gold bull as an example. They're not supporting this. They're not advertising in any form. But I got this sorted price per ounce for all silver. The cheapest you can get is a 5 ounce, their choice of assorted sovereign mint uncirculated silver coins. $134.73. Double that, 27, or 270, which is like $27 an ounce, which is how much this Silvertown 10 ounce Buffalo bar is. This one here, 27 change. Another 10 ounce, 27 change. I don't even know how much that would be per ounce because of its weight, but a 1 ounce Silvertown Liberty Eagle Silver Round, $27.78. If you buy 20, $26.70. The price of silver is $19.91 Canadian. Basically 20. And that means at 27, that's 7 over 20, or 7 higher. That's where we get the premium from. 7 divided by 20, that's 35%. So that's the cheapest that's available, and this is what we're getting, like top pick now. 1 ounce Silvertown Saint Gaudens, and I probably just destroyed the pronunciation of that. Gaudens, and it's probably French too. I don't speak French, but 1 ounce 2020 Britannia silver coin. How much is that? $28. If you buy 25, a little more than that if you buy. So now the price is becoming more. The 1 ounce silver gold silver round ball, $28. $28.69 for this, and I got a bunch of these. They used to be really cheap. That's why I bought a bunch of them, because they used to be like 15% over spot back in the day when I bought a roll of them. Then we have this 100 ounce silver bullet 30 millimeter cannon, just a little replica, $2,841. So that's 100 ounces, $28 an ounce. 1 ounce sunshine mint. This is the only sunshine mint we're gonna find now. So the old ones that we had, they're gone. $29 for these if you just buy a limited amount. $28.16. So we're looking at 40% premiums on of course, and a little more than that. That's buying 20. So we're talking about 45-ish or so percent, 43% maybe on the 29. And then as we move down in here, we're just going to be getting until the more expensive stuff. And this is where it gets really interesting to me, is this one here, 5 ounce pure assorted silver. That's it, meaning their choice of 5 ounces that they want to give you. $150 or $30 an ounce, or 50%. And everything else from this point on is more than 50%, because this is sorted by cheapest price per ounce. Of course, this you can get $1 off. So that means, well, $29.49. And if you buy 25, it's only a small 16-cent discount, but still, it'd be $29.33 adjusted. So when you see that, that's how that would work. And again, the only Canadian mint stuff you're going to get are coins like this, like the 2 ounce 2020, and then this is over $30 per ounce, and the demand for such is, to me, through the roof. 1 ounce random year American silver eagle coin. I could almost be assured that when you buy this, they're gonna click on something, and it's gonna say there's a delay on this one. You're not gonna get this immediately, and you're spending $31.74. And the cheapest you get it, even if you buy 1,500 of them, is $29.33. If you're buying a roll, $31 and change. And now we're getting close to 60% again. $4 off this one here. This is a deal. 1 ounce 29, the Royal Mint, lunar year of the pig silver coin. That would work out, well, it's 32, take off $4, $28. So not a bad price, sort of, compared to the rest of the market. But you're still talking 40%. Here we have the year of the rat, and I mean, this is like a cool little picture here. But of course, the prices on these are, I mean, they're just going to become more and more expensive as we move forward in here. Here's 20, and this one is where it becomes, I think, really interesting for what might happen. Is there's going to be people that are going to buy this one here, $32.41 or $32.74, whatever it is. Place the order, and there's a minimum, at least it's going to be this long of a delay, as will, of course, the random year that was right here. And I think what might end up happening as weeks and weeks go on is they're not going to be able to fulfill this order, because they're just not going to come. And that might sound crazy, but of course that's because of the shutting down of the mints and all the other possible factors that could make things a little bit of a nuisance for production to be maintained. Thus, they'll have to refund your price. And well, you were buying this at $32 an ounce at the time, and well, or 20, but this at 32, and then next thing you know, you might be seeing silver at like $40, $50, $60 an ounce or whatever in that level, and then you're getting refunded dollars because you're asking for the 2020. Whereas if you're getting the random year, well, if they happen to get whatever year they can get, then they can possibly fulfill your order where that one might get filled. Coins like this are pretty cool. Maybe I'm just a fan for miscellaneous elephant ones, but you're paying a good premium for it, which is, again, 32 and change. But they're going to be selling pretty well too. And one thing gauging, and they would be doing this, is how much are they selling? Because if these premium coins are selling, they might even increase the prices of them as they move forward, especially if they know their overall inventory stock is getting low, and they are probably fearing that it's not going to get filled. anytime soon. $4 off this coin makes it $29. It's a Mickey Mouse 90-year anniversary coin. Again, compared to the rest of the field of coins, maybe not the worst of deals. 1/2 ounce random year victory in the Pacific silver coin. One of my favorite things is getting fractional coins at the price of the regular coins. So I got like 2/3 ounce and 3/4 ounce and 1/2 ounce, stuff like that, of the Canadian mint coins when they had flash sales like this. And then I was paying like $25 an ounce, probably about 20%, 25% premium back in that day. So this is $1.50 off, so that's $15. Times that by 2, that's like $30, which in today's price, that's kind of the going price. So it's, if you're going to buy silver, not a bad time to buy those fractional ones if you're going to be buying today, as it is anyway. And some of these other coins don't really, I have this one here. I have this one in a different size. Don't have that one. That's a nice coin. But how much is 10 ounces going for? $34 an ounce right now. We're at these ones. I got this one. I think I gave it, I don't know if it's that year or not, but I do have this one here. It's a nice coin. It's now going for $174. But I do have a 5 ounce one. I think it's the exact same one. It looks like it. No picture on this one. Maybe it's going to come up later. Yep. Okay, I got that one. Don't have that one. I have most of these. I have everything but the 1 ounce. I'm really want. If I can get 1 ounce of these coins, I mean, they'd be expensive as anything right now. Hard to find. But I have every size but the 1. I got the 1/2, the 2, the 5, the 10, and then the 1 kilo. And I'm a fan of the 1 kilo coins too. And right now, here we are right now, speaking of which, didn't realize it was coming. The cheapest I'm seeing is like a 1,100 here. So 1,100 for 1 kilo. That's just expensive. Lionfish. But I don't have any of those. $30 off this coin, which means you'd be getting this for $144. This is a Perth Mint coin year, the monkey, $144. Then we could double. That's like $29 an ounce. Again, working within. This is a nice little art coin, but you're paying a hefty premium, $35 just for one. $34 if you get a second. That's by 2 maybe, but either way, that's still a really expensive deal. And then you get to the more premium Canadian coins, like the 1 ounce 2013 coin here. That's like $35. I'm sure they'd be available. I don't know. Call them on the phone. They should state when you do this. There's $5 off on this one, which means it's $30 an ounce. Moon landing. I have my own theories on stuff like the moon landing and even the current event. I haven't been doing many videos recently because I really don't feel I want to share my feelings upon that, and I haven't. Anyway, these are just some of the ones that are available. We can see just how expensive this is. If I just click on number 7, just to see how expensive these are. $1,800 for the and I want all the 1 kilo ones, and I don't got the horse one. That one's, I've been eyeing this one for a long time. I have an entire roll of this one. It's the only silver shield I have. I do have a 2 ounce coin somewhere in my, I call it my just bag of silver coins, but wow. Well, this is proof like, that's why. Okay, I bought it so cheap. I got it on sale, which is why I bought it. It was like it was pretty much like the same price as like the generic ones the day that I bought it. Probably bought like $22 or $21 an ounce or whatever, but well, they're going for pretty premium prices here. Speaking of 2 ounce, this is the 2 ounce that I own. Well, it's not proof like, I don't think. But that's the 2 ounce that I own. Anyway, thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.